What was it? Go, Kari. Go, Kari. Go, Kari.
It's not fair.
What happened?
Who is that?
I don't know.
It looks like our grandma.
No, that did not look like my mama, boy.
I'm a name.
What'd you say?
Your order is not ready to be picked up, ma'am.
Nice ski with my
Everybody say titties.
Is she flipping me off? Yes, she is.
What?
Ain't that right? And that's it, period.
What are you thankful for?